Hey y'all! At West Texas Windshields in Odessa, we understand that many people prefer to tackle their rock chip repairs themselves. Stay tuned to learn 6 things you should know before attempting DIY rock chip repair. There are 4 common types of rock chips: star, bullseye, batwing, and a combination chip. A bullseye chip's the most common damage that's easiest to fix, while combination chip is the hardest to repair. Having the right tools and supplies is a must. While a DIY repair kit provides instructions, a tool to remove broken glass, a resin injector, and a piece of cutting film, it doesn't provide decades of experience. You'll need to purchase a high-quality resin with the proper viscosity, which is determined by the type of windshield damage. The deeper the damage, the more viscous the resin needs to be to fully seal the chip. Last thing you'll want to do is rush through your rock chip repair. This can lead to an incomplete repair that won't hold. And most DIY repairs can be completed in 1 to 2 hours. Applying the correct pressure to your windshield is a must when performing a rock chip repair. Know how much pressure to apply to avoid causing your chip to splinter and spread. You only get 1 shot at your DIY rock chip repair. If it's repaired incorrectly or the resin doesn't hold, you can't just remove the resin, the filler, and the film and start over. While anyone can repair a rock chip, it's sometimes best left to the pros. Call us at West Texas Windshields to fix your rock chips for you. We'll provide a quick, efficient repair that's done right the first time.